Now that you've just uploaded a document, you've gotten some errors in SoStocked. When you come down on this page, you're going to scroll down and notice at the bottom there will be a few errors. Typically what it's going to show is the missing data. So what data is missing or has an error, and if there were any values involved in it. So the first thing that you can do, and what I would highly recommend, is looking at the Excel cell over here. So this will tell you what sheet in your Excel document and what cell it is. So for example, this one has an issue with products F6. So if I come to my products sheet and then go all the way over to F6, I'm going to notice that I did this on purpose. I forgot to put in a product name. So now I'm going to go example product, and I can either update it here, or what I can do is copy that and paste this directly into that cell. And then there's going to be another one, vendor name. So now on the product sheet, P6. So I will bring back up my Excel document and notice 6, I'll go over to column P and realize that there is no supplier or primary supplier selected. So if it's the same one, I can drag this down and maybe I'll just copy this and plug this in. Now, if it's just a few of them, you can just update these values and click finish and upload. But if there are a lot of them, there's a couple different methods where you can copy the answers. So clicking copy up or down will take this same value and copy it up or down, depending on how many errors you have. Or you can make all the edits back in the Excel document, save it, and go to the top. Select whichever document you're uploading. For example, in this case, I'm doing products. Pick the document and start the upload again. When it's successful, you will see a upload finished successfully, and you will get an email as well. Very, very important last point, no updates will be made until the document is uploaded successfully.